Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Photos and going straight to Album's right arrow Recently Deleted. This is the only place iOS stores soft deleted images for up to 30 days. Once there, scan file names and thumbnails, then tap Select and choose the images you need. Make sure to check the day's remaining indicator. Items expire automatically. Recover moves them back to your main Photos library. Do that first, because without recovery, you cannot export or permanently back them up. Once recovered, choose your backup path. If you use iCloud Photos, enable it in settings so images upload automatically. This gives continuous device-to-cloud protection. Alternatively, connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC and import via Finder or iTunes. That creates a local copy you control. You can also select Photos, tap Share, and save to files to push them to iCloud Drive or another cloud app. These steps ensure a copy exists outside the device's Photos database. To finish, verify that backup's completed. In Photos, look for upload status icons, and in Files, confirm the copied files. If uploads stall, make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi, then toggle iCloud Photos off and on or sign out and back into iCloud. Once done, retry. If a photo is still missing, check other devices signed into your Apple ID and any recent device backups. If none of that works, import via cable to a computer. That direct transfer usually succeeds when cloud methods fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.